It's yours at the touch of a button with the Breville Hot Cup or Breville Hot Cup with Brita filter. Smart, stylish and beautifully designed, these are the ideal addition to your kitchen because unlike kettles, if you only want a cup or two, then that's all the hot cup will boil, even if you want to fill it to its extra large 2-litre capacity. It's easy to use and it's extremely fast. Choose from 9 cup sizes by turning the dial to the setting you want, and the right amount will boil in seconds. No pouring, no mess. Plus, if you're a fan of filtered water, you can choose our 1.8 litre capacity Brita filter model for a purer tasting drink, however hard or soft the water. And you'll always know when the long-lasting filter cartridge needs replacing. The Breville Hot Cup and Hot Cup with Brita filter. Fill less often, save more energy and boil the amount you want at the touch of a button.
Sometimes you want the best of both grilling worlds, the cooking efficiency and convenience of gas, and the flavor you get from charcoal. But you might not want or have the space for 2 grills. Introducing the new Char-Broil Gas to Coal Grill. A convenient 2-in-1 3-burner gas grill that converts into an innovative charcoal grill designed to prevent flare-ups and infuse intense flavor into food. The conversion is easy, with no tools required. Simply remove the grates. Place the tray into the grill. Add charcoal, spaced evenly along the tray. And use the push-button electronic igniter to light the 3 burners. With the lid closed, allow the charcoal to heat up for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, lift the lid, switch off the burners, and wait 5 minutes to let the coals turn white hot, then get grilling. It's that fast and easy. You don't even need lighter fluid or a match. Even better, the innovative tray is designed to restrict airflow around the charcoal to minimize flare-ups. This not only keeps the flames at bay, it helps the charcoal burn more efficiently. At Char-Broil, we put the first charcoal grill on the market back in 1948 and have been innovating outdoor cooking ever since. Along the way, we've listened to you and learned about the features you need to grill with confidence. Easy to clean porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates, a lid-mounted temperature gauge, large side shelves, a side burner, 2 wheels to make it easy to move around, and durable construction. The new Char-Broil Gas to Coal delivers all the features you need to bring
Get started using your KitchenAid Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment. Starting with fresh produce, remove stems, then cut the ends squarely, removing any eyes if applicable. Food should be 1.5 to 3 3/4 inches in diameter and less than 5.5 inches in length. Insert the attachment into the hub of your KitchenAid stand mixer. Secure and place the fruit and vegetable skewer onto the mount. Turn it counterclockwise and click into place. Place a bowl or plate under the Spiralizer attachment and secure the food to the fruit and vegetable skewer, pressing firmly into the skewer. Next, if you're using the peeler, be sure to install it onto the attachment first by sliding it into the bottom of the blade carrier until it clicks into place. Insert your desired blade into the holder at the top. Pull the release lever, then push the blade carrier towards the stand mixer and align the blade core with the center of your food. Press the blade core into the fruit or vegetable for added stability, and you're ready. Begin with the stir speed and then move to the desired speed that works with your fruit or vegetable. Speeds 4 and 6 usually work best. Important: when finished, remove the blades before removing your food item. Disassembling your KitchenAid Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment. Pull the release lever and push the carrier away from the stand mixer to the end of the rail. Remove all blades used, including both the cutting and peeling blade. To remove remaining food, firmly grip the fruit or vegetable and pull away from the fruit and vegetable skewer. Twist the skewer clockwise to unlock it and remove for cleaning. All accessories are top rack dishwasher safe. Wash the Spiralizer body by hand only with a soft, damp cloth. The Spiralizer with peel, core, and slice attachment. Spinning new creations in your kitchen.
Broad & Taylor Professional Knife Sharpener. The fastest and easiest way to sharpen and hone any knife. Quickly cut the optimum bevel on a dull knife. Safely hone to keep your knife sharp. Polish for the ultimate razor edge. Keeping your serrated knife sharp is just as easy. The patented sharpeners hone the entire beveled side of the blade. This sharp knife slices right through difficult-to-cut foam. Dulling the knife on a hammer rolls the cutting edge and makes the blade useless. But just a few quick honing strokes restores sharpness without removing metal. Even the best knives dull with regular use as the edge rolls over. Broad & Taylor's exclusive honing action quickly and safely realigns the edge, keeping all of your knives razor sharp. Spring action bars adjust the angle of the blade from 12 to 20 degrees. Ultra hard Austrian tungsten carbide is precision ground for years of reliable sharpening. Easy to follow instructions are clearly printed on the solid stainless steel base. Great looks, great results.
Love pasta but are looking for a healthy alternative? Vegetable noodles are just a twist away with OXO's handheld Spiralizer.
Our Spiralizer works with a variety of fruits and vegetables, so whether you want to make zucchini pasta, sweet potato curly fries, or anything in between, we've got you covered. It features an open blade design, a non-slip grip for comfort, and a food holder to protect hands when in use that doubles as a cover for safe storage. Spiralizing works best when the produce is straight and at least 1.5 inches in diameter. If the produce is longer than 6 inches, just cut it in half. If it isn't naturally straight, cut it into straight sections. Place the flat end against the center of the blade and apply pressure when twisting clockwise. The result will be long, uniform spirals. It's that simple. When you start to reach the end of the vegetable, use the food holder for safety to keep your fingers away from the sharp blades. A few twists later, you've got a plate of delicious and healthy vegetable noodles, so you can dress up however you'd like. In addition to veggie pastas, you can also use the spiralizer to make uniform spirals for salads. It's even great for curly fries.